Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make deviled egg filling the only way. We'll start by preparing our hard-boiled eggs, making sure they are easy to peel. Then, gently separate the yolks from the whites, placing the vibrant yolks into a mixing bowl. The key to a smooth filling is mashing those yolks until they are perfectly crumbly, ready for the next steps. This foundation is crucial for the best texture. Now let's create that irresistible creamy base. To your mashed yolks, add a generous dollop of mayonnaise, a spoonful of Dijon mustard, and just a splash of apple cider vinegar. These ingredients are essential for the classic deviled egg flavor. Mix everything together thoroughly, ensuring there are absolutely no lumps. You want a perfectly smooth, velvety consistency for the ultimate filling.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Quick recommendation: staying hydrated is key, and I absolutely love my Owala water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your drinks cold all day. You can find the link to grab one for yourself, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Next, we'll perfect the seasoning. Add a good pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a touch of smoked paprika to your creamy yolk mixture. These simple seasonings elevate the flavor profile significantly. Always taste as you go, adjusting the salt and pepper until it's just right for your palate. For those who enjoy a little heat, a dash of your favorite hot sauce can be a fantastic addition. With your filling perfectly seasoned, it's time to assemble these beauties. For a professional look, spoon your deviled egg mixture into a piping bag fitted with a star tip. Carefully pipe the creamy filling back into the hollowed-out egg white halves, creating a beautiful swirl. Finish each deviled egg with a final sprinkle of paprika or some finely chopped fresh chives for a pop of color and freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.